Get noticed in this 2006 Ford Explorer. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Call today to schedule a test drive.